waiting on, well, she's over there, Kiwani. Just purchased something to eat at this, I don't know the name of the place, this fish spot place, I guess. It's across the street from Emancipation Park. I'm just waiting on my stuff to eat. Then we're all set to do our networking. So she's kewanna Yaady. Yeah. That's basically what I am doing right now. Waiting. Yeah. And that's Kiwa walking over there. Kewanna Yaady. That's the YouTuber I'm telling you guys about. She just decided she's gonna go to the restroom, and then after she come from the restroom, I guess we'll start doing this vlog. As we start in the vlog, I'm basically gonna show you guys about soup and festival. Right. I'm gonna start to eat because I'm waiting for her. Sit down. It's nice.
Hi! We finally get a chance to meet.
Yes. And we're at Sweetwood.
Sweetwood, yeah.
Right. I've been here only 2 times. This is my third time, I think.
This is your third time?
Yes, and I can remember the name of this place.
This is my second time here. The first time I came, I never had anything to eat.
Okay.
That's why I set it up.
Setting up her phone for the vlog.
Yeah. So yeah, I guess this is pretty, you know. Yeah, just walking a slide. Oh, this is so good. Yeah. This is my second time here, and well, the first time actually I get something to eat. The first time I came, I just had like something to drink.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna come here with somebody. I don't know if I first met it. I'm gonna come here with my family last time. It's my third time.
So I'm going to try their jerk stuff for the first time. I hope it tastes good because it's very pricey. You feel me? Now this is like, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of ribs I got. So, and this was a potato that I ordered. I thought it would have been more, but
I think it have been more too.
yeah, so it goes. So have its name, some hope say it live up to its name. If it don't, I'm going to be very pissed. I'm going to be very pissed. I don't have a problem with people pay expensive stuff, you know, but let's hope say when expensive, it tastes good, you see? Tastes good. It was sweet and spicy, tastes good. It was really good because I love sweet and spicy. Very good. Want to taste it? Want to taste it?
I'm happy with it. You take it and go.
Should I use this part?
Can we jump pictures?
Yes. You can put it.
No, I'm not more than that video.
You want to taste if you like it. You like it?
So much sweet. Like I said, the sauce.
I like the part that they cook it down in it.
Yeah.
Because I went somewhere and I taste jerk and it's like they throw the jerk sauce over the stuff. I like when...
Tell you about the weather. It's raining today.
Yeah, it's raining.
We're going to start this vlog. Or what we're doing now?
We're going to do a smash and pass, a Jamaican smash and pass, and we're going to talk about relationship.
A lot.
Yeah, I don't know what we're going to talk about yet, where relationship is concerned. I guess we can talk about that now.
Sure.
The relationship aspect of that. And I'm going to do, she's going to teach me how to pose and stuff on her channel. So
yeah, that's in my, well, the weather, because I'm going to do something with Product Jamaica magazine. I was going to tag her along so that she can learn to do poses, get some glamour photo shoots for her Instagram.
Wow.
The weather is bad, so I don't know. But I spoke to him on Monday. Yeah, so he said everything was set, but I don't know because the weather changed from Monday. We've having rain from Tuesday, right? Monday night to now, and still having rainy weather. So I don't know yet. Let's find out.
kind of happy for the weather because the Mona Dam, they say it's really getting dry. So this is the only time I'm happy for the weather. Anytime rainfall, we just yeah, because it's like crap my day.
Alright, we're gonna start this smash and pass. But my smash is first are on my phone.
Oh.
So we're gonna do it.
Oh, you can do it on my
one for first.
One for yeah, first.
You want to go first or me first?
No, it's on my phone too.
Okay, so stop your phone, record here, and then we'll do it again in live.
No man, I can't do this in my phone. And I can just look at my phone and try to. You have a pen in it?
No. I said it's okay, stop. I'm going to my position, you finish.
Alright.
Yeah, we're good. So you want to go first in my phone or go first here? You can come down first. You go first.
You can do well.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors. Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, it's rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, stop running. Rock.
Okay, we're gonna introduction first. So guys, we're going to do a Jamaica version of the smash and pass.
Right.
So all the celebrities in Jamaica, so I'm so excited.
And celebrity mean influencers, YouTubers, track star,
all of
actors,
that.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
But it's Jamaican people, born Yaady.
Born Yaady with the
Right.
Yaady flavor.
Exactly. Alright, go on.
Alright, smash.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. It's street time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Are you winning?
Oh yeah, it's me. I'm gonna stop my phone first. Alright, ready?
So the first one that you have is
So my first. Alright, I'm gonna have them in a screenshot. Let me show you. Like, I'm gonna screenshot them. So this is what Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt?
Yeah, so when we're editing this, I'll basically put up the image. But for now, I'm just show it away. Alright, I'm gonna show it away again. We're just gonna call it the name. Alright, so first one I have Usain Bolt. Smash or pass?
Ah, Usain Bolt. I mean, it's nice. I don't know.
I'm a track star.
I think, yeah.
He's a millionaire, and he's hot, and he's chocolate. I was a chocolate skin. But remember, my girlfriend probably engaged too. So.
No, the thing is, I don't think because of the propaganda that I heard about him, I realized him love woman and them something there.
He's a womanizer.
Yeah, I don't think I would smash him.
So pass.
If you say, "Boy, you're fine," and I'm like him about genuine personality. Like when you actually get to know him,
and
him about genuine
and like charity and all that
and stuff. But I don't think I would smash you because that's just like drama for me.
You say but because I like that you're chocolate and you're very nice because you have a charity and all of that, and also you're a part owner of the digital, partner that. So guess what? And I'm not a gold digger, but you understand, but I will smash. No pass. Yes, because I like you from, I like you're a track star and all of that. And you have an head for your body, and most chocolate men are not like that, so I like that.
Okay.
So yes, it's a smash for me.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, Christopher Martin.
Woo!
Smash or pass? Tell them about Christopher Martin, because my friend don't know who he is.
Christopher Martin is the artist here in Jamaica. You think he was the first person that won the Rising Star?
But no same with Rising Star.
Yeah, the Rising Star. His career is very awesome. He's like, when it comes to melody, Christopher Martin,
don't say auntie. But for me, what me say, me personally, what say, give them more backstory. He has kids, more than what I think.
Yeah.
Not sure. With Cecile.
I think he's Yaady Phillips.
No, he's my daughter.
Oh.
Sorry. But he have a kid with Cecile, right? And that me say I'm a breed already. I like my man them up already, sorry. He must be the first. So therefore, but woman like him chocolate and him good looking.
Yeah, him good looking.
So, but in regards to that, because I'm a breeder, I'm going to pass. What you are gonna do?
I would have passed though. Him seem like one of the persons that would have just have sex with you and then like them persons that were bad and good like would have sex with you and then just leave you and don't call you back. Him not look trustworthy.
Okay.
So I'll pass. You're fine and everything, like we can be G's, but no pass.
Alright, popcorn!
Woo!
Okay, she's a popcorn fan.
I'm a popcorn fan, but my answer.
By screaming, we know it's a smash.
I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I will smash him. I would smash popcorn just for smashing sake. And
Just
probably
smashing
I know, just for his personality. I love his personality. I love people that free spirited. I love people that will make me laugh. I love his bubbling personality. Yeah, like Popcorn is a great artist out here. It's like one of the artists where a shell down dance hall. But anytime I see him always have that free spirit, bubbling, happy personality, like him goofy, and I love people that's goofy. So I think
I'm not that. But here one me know wouldn't smash.
Why?
One, Popcorn have potential. And next man, we are breeder. Also, Popcorn look like a kind of childish face and around with that still. And as you say, personality is more playful and
yeah.
like that. But more is smash because you have a picnic already. No many children can smash, so that's a no for me. But today shall smash Popcorn fan.
Let us smash Popcorn and just a few whites. I'm going to say after when Maga left me.
No, here they Maga
it look like him not taking the relationship serious.
Seriously, and him obviously coming to take it seriously. Alright. Alkaline, the one with the black eye, they say a real eye, then they go back to normal eye.
Alright, Alkaline. For real? Like when I just heard about when I just know Alkaline, I never liked him. Because his music was so rough and stuff like that, but and him did put a black tattoo over him eye, well the permanent temporary tattoo, and he bleach out his skin and all of that. So when I first time I'm like, but getting to know him and watching his interview more and just really following and social media, I'm seeing like a person who can hold a reason.
Wait.
Yeah. So I'll smash.
Alright, Alkaline. I don't know about opinion like that. I don't know about Alkaline. Overall, not my type. Too much tattoo. When I around tattoo, like if you have one hand tattoo or whatever, too much. I don't really like dancehall music. I don't really know much dancehall music. I'm gonna be honest. I don't curse, I don't drink, and I don't smoke. So therefore, him feel like he must be more of a party person than me, and I'm not. In regard to that, so I will pass. But boring, so yeah. Alright, Jamaican actor in Real Friends, and this one is Akeem.
Akeem?
Yeah, he's in Real Friends, the TVJ series.
I don't know him, but let me see him face again.
He's in Real Friends on TVJ. Many persons don't know, but if you watch TVJ or you like Real Friends, you might know him. Alright.
Just looking at him for me, I don't think I'll smash him.
I will smash. I like him.
He look like a player.
I like him. I'll smash.
He look like a player. He look innocent and look formal, but at the Monday, he look innocent Monday. Look innocent one them no. I'm talking from experience. One will look innocent and look like them can't smash hands. You see one of them look tuggy and look go like them boisterous. So when you actually get to know them, they're like so soft and gentle. So him, it's a pass for me. No problem. No like problem.
Me will smash. I like Real Friends. I like him character in Real Friends, and he's cute. And him have chocolate skin.
Yeah, him nice.
I'm really small picnic. I don't know that much about him yet. So I will definitely smash. And also he's a young Jamaican actor. And we need more Jamaican people like doing the arts, like acting, singing, dancing, and bringing positive energy to young people. So yes, I will definitely smash.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Alright. The other one for me, and then I'm done in her turn, is Dutty Berry. Everybody must know Dutty Berry.
Dutty Berry, big up yourself, Dutty Berry. Like, I love him grind. And I saw where Dutty Berry coming from.
Yes.
As I say, like him go all out, him never stop. He's a strong YouTuber here and an influencer here in Jamaica. Big up to Dutty Berry.
That's right.
But if I should smash Dutty Berry, I don't know. I think I'll make Dutty Berry be like one of my friends. Like my good friends. If look like one of them friends, they were liar. Like we can talk to somebody who push you, motivate you. Somebody can go to the party with or go out with. But I don't think.
For me, I would not smash Dutty Berry one. Men no, like men doing comedy, I don't problem with that. But men that know for draw them tongue as well.
Yeah.
No problem with that. I don't know if we know talking like the reader from Sip and TV come out.
Yeah.
Or the film Sip on YouTube come out. Yeah, you know how that's very big. So therefore I'm never be uncomfortable in a relationship. And if you don't get a smash though, if we just a one smash and move, then have a problem. You're right. Like us now smash them but we in the mood and then him do a little berry, see a little berry. What is that move? I'm uncomfortable. I want to know if all in the yellow they must smash. Probably like dirty berry. My berry is and I'm here and say, Razi, I'm enough for him come. So therefore I am going to have to pass. Just because that is a friend, I'm going to be honest with you.
And yeah, like a good friend. Like,
but
so.
no, I'm going to pass.
So guys, so those are hers 5.
No, more than 5.
Yeah, more than 5. So this is part 1 of the Smash and Pass Jamaica version. Guys, go ahead, like it, subscribe, leave your comment down below. Let us know which Jamaican celebrity you will smash or you will pass. But yes, I love the vibe. So guys, thank you so much. Go ahead and subscribe to her channel as well.
Rosa Lawrence JM on YouTube. Instagram and Rosa Lawrence on YouTube. Once you type in Rosa Lawrence, you'll get me. So
yeah, friend.
We're about to go home, but the rain. Oh, the rain is so short.
Yeah, I'm 5'2".
Oh, wow. Alright, so we're about to go home, but the rain start back up heavy again.
Yeah, really heavy.
But I can say I had a great time with Kewanna Yaady. My Yaady friend. Alright, island girl. So we're about to go home now, so I'm gonna say later. Bye. Yes, bye. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Remember to go like and subscribe to her channel. Her link will be somewhere in this vlog. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and we outie. And we outie.